Don't let me forget this bag chat, okay? Like when we leave, be like, hey, about white bag. So we are in Shibuya right now, and we're eating at this place. I don't know what it is, but when we walked in, we knew who Ellie was, and knew that she was a streamer, so they wanted to give us free food and drinks, I guess. Wait, Chad, can you see that? I don't know if Chad can see this. I mean, this is like the bell, so like we're just squeezing this, but we don't know. I don't think they actually care of the places. I think it's more of like a apparently it's saying that more of like a novelty than anything. They only want to eat it. So earlier today when I met up with her, I thought I wanted to eat. It's time to chow down because everything will get some drinks. I kind of want both angles. You can watch us in multi-stream. I wanted to try and set the cameras slightly different so that you have multiple views. Oh, hi, Bobby! Hi, Bobby. That's my roommate. She just got home. YouTuber. Hi, Liz. It's easier to say you're a YouTuber. I did a thing by accident. What? That's okay, it shouldn't affect your stream. I was gonna do something and I completely forgot what it is. This is Ava. If you put command Ava GG, you'll find her channel. I was making eye contact with Cutie earlier, chat. Watch us both. We like made eye contact going up the stairs, and then I saw him sitting down earlier, and we like didn't even hurry it. And I thought he's like down that way. It's my husband. Would you like food? What do we get? So they gave us free drinks, but if you wanted to eat some snacks or something. Yeah, just something light. I'm not super hungry. So, biryani, pork, roast pork. Thank you, Jaden.
Highball.
Hi. Whoa.